So friends, if you have Amazon Pay ICICI credit card and you don't remember its PIN, then in this video, I'm going to tell you how can you use iMobile application to change PIN for your credit card. Now, without wasting any time, we are going to start the video. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open iMobile application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once you open iMobile application, just simply complete the login process by entering your 4-digit PIN or using Face ID or fingerprint. Now, once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. At the top, you can check out credit card number. If you want to check balance, you have an option over here. Now, either you can select reset PIN option over here, or else you can just simply go to my card section, and on this particular page, you can select your credit card, and over here you do get reset pin option. So you can either go from home page or you can follow this step. Now, as we are already on this page, let's select reset pin option over here, and on the next page again you can check out your card number, and it will directly give you an option to enter 4-digit pin number. So you have to enter new pin over here. You have to enter it 2 times, confirm your mobile number, and then select submit option. So now you can see I have entered the new pin 2 times. Mobile number is already given over here. So let's select submit option. Now we will receive an OTP, and we just have to enter the 6-digit OTP over here. Make sure you have registered number with you. So I have entered the 6-digit OTP. Let's select submit option. And now you can see card PIN generated successfully. So this is how simple it is to change your Amazon Pay ICICI credit card PIN. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.